And you find these kinds of dishes often in Italian restaurants, wherever you go in Italy. So I've got an oven baking dish ready with some olive oil. And here we have our fish, which is haddock. So this is what I can get, so this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to give this some salt and some pepper. Now you could use any kind of white firm fish for this. You want to use salmon, you could do salmon with this. You want to use cod, that would be nice. Flounder would take even less time because it's even thinner than this. So any good flat fish will work for this. Even halibut would work for this. So this is so simple. You put the fish fillets in a baking dish. Okay? Try to fit them in. I'm going to put this one kind of like this because I want them all to lay flat. Then once you have that, you're going to add some vegetables. And this is how I had it in Italy. That was so delicious. The least thing you do to fish is the best thing. And the Italians really know how to prepare fish. So we had tomatoes. And for this, we want to use a beefsteak tomato, not a plum tomato. A plum tomato would be something that you would use for sauce. So slice up a good beefsteak tomato. And for that, I like to use this knife. See, this is my trusty old tomato knife. And you're just going to overlap these tomato slices with the fish and some lemon, some fresh lemon. So that looks good. And then here we have fresh lemon. And all we want to do is slice it in thin slices again. Lemon and fish have a great affinity for one another. If you're in the Amalfi Coast, you see fish dishes all the time with lemon, marinated fish dishes, baked fish dishes. So there's some lemon, and then we have some oil-cured olives. So I'm going to give this fish a little bit of olive oil over the top and brush that on. Make sure you're using extra virgin olive oil. And your oven is on at 400 degrees because, believe it or not, this is going to cook in about 8 minutes. If it's a little thicker, it might take a couple minutes longer. So then you take those lemon and those tomato slices and you just kind of overlap them. This is a really big tomato, like that. Put one there and one here. And this is just going to flavor this fish and keep it nice and moist. And I think I need just a couple more pieces here. Let me get another big slice tomato here and some lemon. And again, we want salt over that. Use really ripe tomatoes. Some pepper. See how easy this is? This is dinner in about 10 minutes. You do have time to cook. And then some oil-cured olives over the top. Later on, if you wanted to put some herbs on this, like parsley, that would be nice too. So there it is. Again, just a little smidge of olive oil over the top. You're going to bake this uncovered in the oven, 400 degrees, until that fish easily flakes, or an instant read thermometer inserted in the fish is at 140 or 145. So in it goes.